Hello and welcome. I am your host, Mora. Today's meditation is made to boost your creativity by letting go and becoming one with Source, the infinite energy of the universe. Please find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a few seconds and then exhale, releasing any tension in your body. And again, breathing in deeply and slowly, and exhaling, releasing any tension or stress. Now bring your attention to your toes. Feel them relax and let go. Allow the relaxation to spread up through your feet, ankles, and into your calves. Feel how your muscles are softening and relaxing. Imagine a warm, soothing energy flowing through your legs, releasing any tension or tightness. Moving up to your hips and pelvis, allow any tension to melt away. Feeling yourself become more and more relaxed. Imagine the soothing energy flowing up through your stomach and chest, relaxing your muscles and allowing your breathing to become deeper and more peaceful. Moving up to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Feel how any tightness or pain is leaving your body as your muscles relax completely. Finally, focus on the neck, face, and head. Relax all your muscles. Feel yourself becoming more and more at ease. A warm, soothing energy is spreading through your head, and you are now releasing any worry. Now that your body is completely relaxed, let us begin our journey. Imagine yourself floating upward, out of your body, and up through the ceiling. You are weightless and free as you go higher and higher. You can now see the house you live in from above. As you float further away, you can see the whole town from a bird's view. You continue to move upward, and now you see the entire continent. everything looks so small from here. As you move further upward, you suddenly find yourself in space and see planet Earth from a distance. It is simply beautiful. Take in the breathtaking view. Then you continue to float further and further and deeper into space. You are surrounded by the stars and galaxies. You can feel the infinite universe all around you. As you float through space and time, allow yourself to become one with it, feeling a great sense of connection with all that was, all that is, and all that will ever be. You are a part of the infinite, timeless universe, and you are connected with everything. Take a time to enjoy this feeling of infinite connection and oneness. Allow yourself to float freely without any boundaries or limitations. When you are ready to return to your physical body, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Wiggle your toes, your fingers, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you can always return to this feeling of oneness with the universe whenever you need to. Namaste.